Struggling with project management tools that have limitations on users and features? Whether you're managing a small business, a growing startup, or juggling freelance clients, the right tool can make or break your productivity. Luckily, today, we're exploring the best free project management platforms that offer unlimited users, flexible features, and zero compromises. Let's get started. Placky is first on the list. If you're looking for an easy-to-use, intuitive platform that allows unlimited users and projects, Placky's your best bet. With clean Kanban boards and task lists, your team can stay organized and aligned with zero paywalls blocking core functionality. Fast and simple, it's an ideal choice for teams that want flexibility and speed. If you're all about customizable workflows and comprehensive task management, ClickUp takes the crown. Its free plan gives you unlimited users and projects, plus a wide array of views, boards, lists, calendars, along with automations and integrations. It's a total powerhouse when it comes to managing complex projects without the premium price tag. Looking for a tool that prioritizes privacy and control? FocalBoard is your open-source solution. Self-hosted and customizable, it's perfect for teams who want to manage their projects with full control and keep their data on their terms. With flexible Kanban and table views, FocalBoard allows teams to work exactly how they want without compromise. Freedcamp offers a no-frills yet robust option for teams that need unlimited projects, users, and even document storage. Its free plan includes a wide range of views and collaboration tools, although it does come with a 100 megabyte storage cap. If that's not a deal breaker, Freedcamp is a great fit for teams needing a simple, unlimited project hub. Zoho Projects is another solid option. Ideal for smaller teams, Zoho's free plan includes task dependencies, time tracking, and other valuable tools that help you stay organized. The only catch? It's limited to 3 users. But if you're just starting out or working in a small team, it's an excellent way to manage tasks and timelines effectively. Don't forget Rike and Nifty, 2 powerful alternatives that combine collaboration, task management, and communication all in one platform. Rike offers versatile list, board, and spreadsheet-style views, while Nifty brings in powerful workflow features and chat integration. Both give you everything you need for effective project management without the annoying upsell prompts or limitations. So, which one should you pick? For flexibility and customizable views, ClickUp and Placky lead the pack. If privacy and control are your priorities, give FocalBoard a try. For a reliable, simple tool with no restrictions, Freedcamp or Rike could be your ideal match. Ready to level up your project management? Give these tools a try and let me know which one works best for you in the comments. And don't miss the next video where I'll reveal more free alternatives to expensive software subscriptions. You won't want to miss it.